Hey everyone, welcome back to The Vision. Today, we're going to talk about why your UK student visa might get rejected and what you can do if it happens. Let's break it down. First, let's look at some common reasons for visa rejection. 1. Providing inaccurate information. Your visa application form is crucial. If you provide incorrect details or misunderstand questions, it can lead to rejection. Make sure to fill out the form carefully and double-check your information. 2. Falling short on academic achievements. If you are applying to top universities in the UK, you need to meet high academic standards. If the visa office doubts your ability to succeed academically or thinks you might struggle with the language, your visa could be denied. 3. Insufficient funds. You must show that you have enough money to cover your tuition and living costs for at least a year. The funds need to be in your account for at least 28 days before applying. Missing these details can lead to rejection. 4. Inadequate documents. Make sure you provide all required documents, and they should be in English and meet international standards. Missing or incorrect documents can weaken your application. 5. Lack of interview skills. During your visa interview, be confident and well prepared. Know about the UK, your chosen city, university, and course. Hesitant or unprepared answers can hurt your chances. 6. Gap years. If you have gap years where you haven't been productive, like not working or studying, it could affect your application. Try to engage in relevant activities or internships during gaps. 7. English language proficiency. For a Tier 4 student visa, you need to meet the English language requirements set by your institution. Make sure you meet these criteria. So, what if your visa gets rejected? Here's what you can do. 1. Reapply. You can submit a new application, but make sure you address the reasons for the previous rejection and meet all the criteria. 2. Lodge an appeal. If you have the right to appeal, you can ask for a review of the decision. Check if your case qualifies for this. 3. Opt for reconsideration. This is available for certain types of applications. It involves requesting a fresh look at your application. 4. Apply for an administrative review. If you are already in the UK, applied from within the UK, received a refusal, and are unhappy with the decision or conditions of your leave, you can request an administrative review. In summary, if your UK student visa gets rejected, you can reapply, appeal, seek reconsideration, or request an administrative review, depending on your situation. Just make sure to address the issues from your initial application. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and advice. See you next time. For any questions, please leave a comment in the section below or email us at thevisionconsult@gmail.com. Our team will get back to you shortly. Thank you.